everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to make some quick and delicious easy snacks for Super Bowl Sundays, so don't go anywhere.
Go. Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Todd. This is
The Sassy Kitchen Queen.
And tonight, as the intro suggested, we're going to make some hors d'oeuvres, but not just any hors d'oeuvres. These are Super Bowl hors d'oeuvres, so they're super duper delicious.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy. You can make them and then set them aside, cover them up, put them in the fridge, reheat them in the microwave, whatever you want to do. But what's making them so special is I'm going to be making some sliders that are beef short rib sliders. We smoked some beef short ribs the other night on the Traeger. We did 250 for about 5 hours. We spritzed them a little bit. We basically cooked them in a bath of beef broth. Being attacked by dogs. Oh, just kidding. And sorry, little technical difficulties with a couple of rugrat dogs we got running around here. Okay, like I was saying, I'm going to be making sliders with beef short ribs. And Sass here, tell us what you're going to make.
I'm going to be making some smoked beef rib nachos with sriracha cheese and all kinds of good stuff. And some chili cheese dogs.
Chili cheese
The all-American chili cheese dog.
So we're going to have short rib sliders.
With short rib on top.
Yep, short rib sliders, short rib nachos, and short rib chili cheese dogs.
Yeah.
Holy, that's a lot of beef short ribs. All right, we'll bleep that out. Okay, so I think we got everything we need. So we're gonna go ahead and start cracking here, and I don't think we're quite ready though. I'm still dressed for work, so let me do something about it. Okay. I'm missing something. Hold on a second. No, that's not what I wanted. Nope, that's not it. Oh, there we go. That's not it either.
The main event.
Okay, I think we're ready to go. All right, guys. Fresh out of the microwave. Yep. Don't kill me, but I warmed these back up in the microwave. I don't think it does them any disservice at all. They came out really awesome. So these are the ribs that we're going to use for our sliders. I got some sriracha, whatever. Got some mayo. I am from Northern California at all. Gotta have mayo. Got a little nice little chopped lettuce. And some freshly toasted buns. Very essential that you toast your buns for some sliders. It's going to help protect them. So let's put these bad boys together. I was showing earlier how beautiful these short ribs looked. Okay, this is a day old out of the Traeger. It's been in the fridge, and I just heated them up in the microwave. So here's a better shot, nice full one. And I'm going to go ahead and just slash that off the bone. Oh yeah. And what I like to do, since they're going on little sliders, I'm going to chop these up to nicer, little manageable slices. There we go. Oh, that looks so good. Okay. I like mine a little shredded. So, nice little bite size, so every time you bite into that little bun, you get a little piece of meat. That's actually a lot of meat for a small little beef short rib. Okay, let's build it. Okay, again, we're going to start with a couple of these little brioche slider buns. What I like to do is I like to put a little mayo on both sides. And I'm just going to pile on that meat right there. Oh yeah. Put it on any way you want. Hot or cold, doesn't matter. Okay, then we'll take a little sriracha. There we we go. Again, your taste. You can use any kind of sauce you want. And then I'm going to take some of these fresh cut greens. Again, you could use coleslaw from KFC, McDonald's, Church's Fried Chicken, Safeway, wherever. And then this is the crowning. This is the crowning bun right here. Get yourself a little toothpick to hold it together, and there you go. Behold, the beef short rib slider for Super Bowl.
Where's the beef?
Beef's right here, baby. Yeah, come and get you some. Oh no, don't eat me. Don't eat me. Ah! Oh no. She's coming to get me. Oh no. Oh! Okay. I'm going to take a bite of this. Oop. Gotta make sure you donate to the dogs.
Let me see the inside. Looks good.
Really good. The taste of the smoked beef short ribs, the mayo on the buns, they're toasted, the sriracha. A little bit of lettuce on there. These are brioche buns. Not sure if you can see that. Be sure to get yourself some of those, but hey, those King's Hawaiian will work just as good, or just dinner rolls from KFC, who cares? Alright guys, so our next hors d'oeuvre here, snack, is going to be a chili cheese dog. So what I got here is some of Sassy's delicious homemade chili salsa. It's fresh, nothing but fresh ingredients. I like some chunk there, so I got some chunky red onion. And of course, we already, beforehand, got the hot dog ready. Cut it up a little bit, grilled it on the cast iron, a little bit of oil. Now, again, you could lay all this out for your friends. Do the dogs ahead of time. Lay out a little jar of salsa and onion. We also got some melted cheese. And keep with the theme, got a little sriracha sauce.
And here's mine.
And we got ourselves some chili here, simmering on the stovetop. Alright, let's put together our dog. Alright, first thing I like to do, like I do this every day, is I like putting down a little bit of layer of this delicious chili no beans. There we go. Since you toasted the bun, that's going to help protect it, but that gets it nice and wet. Then after that, I'm going to put down a little bit of cheese.
Oh yeah, you do need a little brush in there.
There we go. That creates a nice little bed for Mr. Hot Dog. Lay it right in there. Alright. Then after that,
The rib meat.
I like to get some of that Sassy fine fresh chili. Lay it along right there. And get some of them red onions right along the top. To me, there's nothing better than red onion or any kind of onion on a hot dog. That's just awesome. And there we go. Don't know what to call it other than this is a damn good dog. So if you know what to call it, hit me up in the description. So I was going to show you a little video of me eating that hot dog, but you know, I couldn't wait. That thing was just so delicious, so I had to munch out. So, but we're going to move on to Sassy's Screaming Beef Short Rib Nachos.
Okay.
Home, babe.
Yeah, here we go.
All right, here we go.
All right, folks, we're gonna make some nachos. We're gonna start off with a small layer of nachos because I think it should be made in layers because they never put enough cheese. We're gonna put this cheese mixture. I melted some yummy cheese. I put a can of chili with no beans, just carne. You can use any make you want. I use Hormel. We want to put a little bit of this cheese. Today I'm using sriracha cheddar. mixed with some 4-cheese Mexican cheese. So we're gonna put that on there. Then we're gonna follow that up with some of this smoked beef short rib. I warmed mine up a little different. I chopped mine up and then I warmed it up in the pan, with all the juices from the container.
You're just jealous that I know how to use
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. And I'll put maybe a few onions. Onions are usually a topper, but you like to get a little bit of everything on every bite of that chip. So there we go. That's our first layer. A little bit of sriracha, just a little bit. And we're going to layer this again. We don't want to make this too big, because then it'll be overflowing. I mean, this is going to be an hors d'oeuvre that 2 could share or everybody could pick on, you know. So here we go again with our cheese. This time, we're just going to pour this on. Look at that. Just to let it get all gooey.
Oh, it looks good here. Let that one get, oh, that one's already gooey.
Pour that last bit of cheese on there. It'll go all the way down to the bottom. We're going to put a little bit of this sriracha cheddar and the 4 Mexican cheese. We don't want to put too much. We'll overload it with cheese. Then we're going, then we're going to put on our short rib meat here. Just put it on real carefully. The melted cheese should make this all stick real nice. We're going to go with a little more cheese. I'm going to stick it in the oven for a second or 2, probably less than a minute. And then when I come back, I'm going to top it with a little cilantro and some of my homemade salsa. And if you'd like to know how to make this, we have a video on our channel. Go check it out. This is my salsa. Delicious. All right, so we're going to put this in the oven real quick.
1 minute.
Okay, we're back. We only had to warm that for a minute. I'm going to put on some more of this purple onion. I'm going to put on some of this really beautiful and fresh cilantro for garnish. I actually love the way this smells. We're going to put some salsa.
Oh yeah, the sour cream.
This is hubby's favorite. He just loves sour cream. And of course, we're going to finish that off with a little drizzle of sriracha. And these, my friend, are Spicy Nachos. Really quick and easy. See how easy that was? Actually, I had it in the oven for less than a minute because the cheese I poured on it was really hot. Hot enough to melt the cheese that I put there. Get some of this. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? Nice. Okay, going in for the taste of that nacho. Look at that. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Oh, man. That sriracha, the profile on that sriracha and this whole mixture here makes it awesome. The meat is delicious. Today's theme, as you know, was the sriracha. We use sriracha cheese. We use sriracha hot sauce. And what'd you use? What else did you use that with sriracha?
We used them on my hot dog and I used them on the slider.
Okay. You want to try these nachos, honey?
Sure, babe.
Okay.
I'm going to have to make sure that I get plenty of that beef rib on my chip. But, you know, the price of beef ribs are so inexpensive, you can get as much as you want. Here we go. Mmm. Really good. That queso sauce you made, nice and hot, but it doesn't burn your mouth. You don't need a glass of milk. The beef rib with the smoke. And then of course those onions and sour cream, man, that's what I like. Baby, you did a great job. That was awesome. All right. So there you go, guys. Hashtag Game Day Buffet. I don't think we mentioned it before, but this is a collaboration for different YouTube foodie channels to put up what they think make a great Super Bowl snack. I think we put up 3 good ones. The beef short rib sliders, the
Chili cheese dog,
Sassy's spicy
smoked short rib nachos.
Yeah, smoked short rib
with sriracha.
nachos. And of course my super dog, so everything came out great. Again, that's our take on Game Day Buffet. Hashtag it. Go check out the other YouTube creators who worked on a lot of different snacks, a lot of great ideas, a lot of great channels. So go check out that collaboration. Again, hashtag Game Day Buffet. And if you like this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell. Wait, the subscribe button's over here. Bell's over here.
Okay. Ding,
Subscribe,
smash.
Bell. Okay. And be sure to hit up the description for links to any of the products we might be using that you might have seen on this video. And share with your friends. We love it. And be sure to hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, blah, 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 blah.